You want to know if Lloyds is better than Barclays? That's the question everyone asks. The truth is, it's a bit like asking if a Ford is better than a Volkswagen. It really depends on what you need it for. Both are big, established UK banks, and they both have their strengths and weaknesses. So let's break it down. Lloyds Banking Group is the UK's largest retail bank, with a huge customer base. They're often seen as the everyman's bank, with a strong focus on personal and small business banking. They're a good option if you value traditional banking, with a wide network of physical branches. Barclays, on the other hand, is a global powerhouse. They're a multinational investment bank with a larger international presence. If you're someone who travels a lot or has more complex financial needs, like international transfers or wealth management, Barclays might have more to offer. This is where things get interesting. When it comes to everyday banking, both offer accounts with no monthly fees. However, for things like investment services, some reviews suggest Barclays offers better pricing for share dealing, while Lloyds has a slight edge in overall investment choices. For savings, Barclays has a reputation for offering some of the most competitive interest rates on their high-yield savings accounts and CDs, often with no minimum balance requirements. Both banks get a mix of good and bad reviews. On one hand, many customers praise Barclays for its user-friendly app and innovative features. On the other, some report issues with customer service and excessive security checks. Lloyds also gets positive feedback, with some customers saying their customer service is above and beyond excellent. But they also have their share of negative reviews, especially concerning issues with insurance products and claims. So, which one is better? There's no single winner. If you're a UK resident who values a large branch network and a more traditional, retail banking experience, Lloyds might be a better fit. If you're a modern user who prioritizes a solid mobile app, competitive savings rates, and a broader range of international and investment services, then Barclays could be the better choice. Ultimately, the better bank is the one that best suits your individual financial needs.